In this late hour, when everyone is fast asleep, I, Xiao Huko, an extraordinary 3D modeling master, am still holding my ground at my workstation. Only the clatter of the keyboard fills the tiny room. The clock has quietly ticked to 12:28. What gleams in my eyes isn't fatigue, but a firm resolve for my work. This is the adult world, full of sleepless nights of duty. As I just said, as a modeling master, it's only natural to research 3D character assets, yet in this endless night, I sometimes feel weary and alone. But when I look up at the models on the wall, my heart fills with warmth and fulfillment. But suddenly, a text message. It shatters the late-night silence. Little did I know, this text would be a turning point in my life. Hello. I'd like to customize a car part. I ramble on. Sure. Okay. I'll mail it, please customize it as I requested. Seems I can no longer hide my true education. I was an annual honor student and scholarship winner, graduating from Shandong Lanxiang Tech in auto design. After this job, I believe I'll get a promotion and raise, become a general manager, marry a rich beauty, and reach the peak of life. But you only sent 2 pictures for me to work from. That's a bit too careless, isn't it? There's an old Chinese saying. Well then, alright. Here you go. It's just replacing the old mirror with a new one, making a wire to install it on the car. Hold on, this doesn't look like a Lamborghini. Whatever. Must be the latest model. As they say, a good horse needs a good saddle. A good car needs carbon fiber. Of course, I'll use the best carbon fiber. This carbon fiber material is really nice. Not only is it hard, even the surface feels like carbon fiber. A few moments later, although this wasn't a Lamborghini part, I never expected to receive an invitation from Lamborghini. First, thank you for this chance to speak with you. I'm a special representative from Lamborghini. We're exploring a new collaboration model. It merges our brand's value with high-quality daily products. We believe fine tea aligns with Lamborghini's luxury ethos. We invite you to sample our new Luan tea. Scraper. Still selling tea?